Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Taylor here at the Trading Analyst, and I wanted to share with you a couple of trades that we took just today. These were quick trades, and I wanted to share this with you so in hopes that you can learn from this and grow and become a better trader, because I'm going to discuss not only we got these trades and they were winners, but why we took these trades. And that's how you learn, is you understand the why of each trade. So let's get right into it. So this is the Apple 15-minute chart, and as you can see, this is today's action. We're just looking at 2 days of action. This is yesterday on the left, and this is today's action on the right. All right, and as you can see, today was a gap down. There was a big gap to fill above us, so most likely that was going to fill, whether it be today or tomorrow or the next day or even weeks from now, remain to be seen at the time. But that gives us an influence for most likely another reason for it to head higher. So gap fill above us, that's number one reason. Number two reason is we had this nice little setup here. So again, this is the 15-minute chart. We had this gap down right here, and as you can see, we had this new lower low that was made right here. We headed lower, and then what we like to see is a little flush out. So we saw that flush out and attempt to go lower, but we bounced, and then we ended up closing above, and again, this is a 15-minute chart, closing above the 15-minute opening close of the candle. Okay, the close of the opening 15-minute candle was right here. You can see that, top of the green bar. And this candle right here is where we closed over that 15-minute candle. So that was our entry right here. We entered on that. There was a flush out, and we ended up closing over that resistance. We entered right there, and I'll show you this alert. We bought the October 26th Apple 220 calls at 155. All right, and this is on the private Twitter feed. But every single alert is also given via text message in real time, because we understand that most people can't sit on Twitter all day, so that's why we give the alerts via text message as well. All right. As the trade progressed, we moved the stop to break even, and as you can see, this is where we moved the stop to break even as it kind of filled the gap right there. All right. We ended up selling close to the end of the day on this candle right here. As we came up to some resistance, we sold it right here. You can see there was resistance right there and right there and right there, and we wanted to lock in these gains before the market day ended. We closed out that trade about 45 minutes before the market closed right there for a very, very nice winner. Again, we sold right there at the tip of that candle at 271. Okay, it's about, I think, a 78% gain. It was 78% in 1 day. In 1 day, that's what we did here, and you can do that too when you join with us as well. So the next trade we took, and I'll get to it in a second, is the S&P 500. Okay, the SPY, and again here, it's very similar setup to Apple. And we had a big gap down right here. As you can see, it flushed out, but then it based. And we're looking for a break over this little trend line right here. And as you can see, we got that right here on this action. We ended up entering on the retest right here, pretty much at the low of this candle right there. So we were looking for a break over that trend line. We got the trend line break. You can see that we were in a little bit of an uptrend as well, so it's a little triangle breakout as well. We entered right here, and I'll show you that alert. We bought the October 26th 271 calls at 260. All right, and we ended up selling half of the position right here as it kind of puttered out on this day, not this day, but on this candle right here. And we ended up selling, actually not at the high. We sold right about here on this action right there. We sold partial position right here. We wanted to lock in gains because we were seeing potentially a reversal candle right there. So we locked in partial gains. while setting our stop at break even, and I'll show you that right here. We move the stop to break even. Again, all of this is via text message as well, okay? It's just a lot easier to show you the alerts on the private Twitter feed. So the next thing we did is we sold a quarter of the position at 361 right up here on this action higher, and then we ended up selling the last piece at 425, okay, for a very, very nice gain. Again, I think this is about a 60-something% gain on this trade. We ended up selling right here on these wicks right here, and the reason why we sold there is because of that resistance and the gap fill right there. So there was that previous support over here. This is yesterday, and it turned into support. I'm sorry, it turned into resistance because we're below it, and that's why we sold near that piece right here. That last piece we sold for almost a 60% gain. So two very, very nice trades that we had today. I hope that you learned a lot from these trades. Again, if you have any questions about this, about the trades and the strategies, about the membership, anything you want, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy, and I'd love to chat with you. So that brings me to my next statement here. So I want you to answer these questions honestly. Ask yourself these questions, these 3 questions, all right? And only you can answer these questions honestly. Only you know the answers to these questions. So number 1, ask yourself, are you making the kind of money in the market that you know is possible? All right? Are you leaving money on the table when it comes to trades? Number 2, are you working with a proven mentor who's helping you achieve your goal of becoming consistently profitable in the market? We're not talking about a profitable day or a profitable week or even a month. We're talking about being profitable for an entire year. Okay? Number 3, do you miss trades or profits because you lack either the confidence or the knowledge or both? Okay? Answer those questions honestly. All right? So, what I want you to do now is you're going to have the solution to that by joining us here at thetradinganalyst.com for the premium membership. And the main thing that you're going to get here is access to the easy-to-follow real-time trade alerts. And all of these trades are pre-researched by me, so you can always count on that. These are both buy and sell alerts sent via text message, just like the ones that you saw today. With exact entry and exit parameters. We discussed the stop loss as well, as you saw on the private Twitter. We also have the ability to know exactly what to do and when to do it. Whenever I'm getting in a trade, I'm sending out an alert. When I'm getting out of a trade, I'm sending you an alert. All right? And this is going to allow you to start making money in the market right now. We're not talking about 6 months from now or a year from now or anything like that. We're talking about right now. Okay? You saw the trades that we made today. This is just one day. We made 2 winning trades that can make you consistent money. All right? And the reason you're going to be able to make consistent money, right now as opposed to 6 months from now is because you're using our proven process, our proven system. It's already been working for years. All right? I've been doing this for over or almost a decade now, and I boiled it down to a science. All right? I know what I'm doing, and I've done this for many years with success, and so have many of my members as well. And all you have to do is join, and you're going to get access to that proven system. And this is also going to save you time, because what a lot of people do, and tell me if this sounds familiar, is, they look at a bunch of charts and, charts and charts on end and end, looking at news articles and blog posts, following people on Twitter, listening to podcasts, watching CNBC, anything under the sun with the market. And at the end of the day, it's not producing any results, because if you're not making money in the market, then all the things that you've been doing have been a waste of time. So it's going to save you time, because you're not going to have to do that anymore, because that's what we do. We do the research. I do the analysis for you. I'm a professional. This is what I do full time, and I take it very seriously. and that's what you're getting so that you don't have to do that on your own. So it's not only going to make you money, but it's going to save you time as well. All right? And this is going to allow you to trade from anywhere as well. So if you have a full-time job or a part-time job, this is going to work for you. If you're a student, it'll work for you. If you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, or retiree, all you need is a cell phone. That's it. So literally anyone can do this. I've had truck drivers, I have people in Europe, I have people in the Philippines. Everyone can participate in these trades. Just have to have a cell phone. That's it. And the goals here for the easy to follow real-time trade alerts are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month. For this month, October, we're already surpassed that. We have well over 10 trades, winning trades. We already had 4 winning trades just today. Just today, 4 winning trades. So it really depends on kind of the market situation that we're seeing. Sometimes we pull back. We don't make as many trades. But right now we're seeing a lot of volatility in the market. So that's why we're trading a little bit more, and it's giving us a lot of opportunity. We focus on quality and not quantity. All right? That's the most important thing, and that's how you become consistently profitable year over year. So the next goal here is 100% to 500% returns per trade. And this is, if that seems high, it's because that we trade mostly options here. And that's why we're able to do this on a consistent basis. So not only getting winning trades, but we're getting big winners on a consistent basis, week in and week out. Just yesterday we had 2 winning trades over 100%. Over 100%. And the last goal here is $100,000 in annual returns for each of our members, and that number is very realistic. Many of them are hitting that, and that's because we are trading these kinds of trades on a consistent basis. All right, and the Millionaire Trader Blueprint, you need to get it in through your head. Okay, it's not just alerts. Let me kind of move my face out of the way a little bit. Okay, so it has everything you need to be successful. So you're not just getting these trade alerts, all right? That's a huge, huge part of the service. It's the main part of the service, but there's so much more that you're going to get when you join with us. So in addition to those alerts, you're getting the Option Accelerator course. You're getting the extensive educational video library. You're getting the Millionaire Trader videos, all right? These are, the Millionaire Trader videos are updated weekly, and it's kind of what's going in the market right now as opposed to pre-recorded video lessons on just educational topics. So the Millionaire Trader videos are what's going inside the market right now. We cover trades that we're in, trades that we just issued, watch lists, everything under the sun to help you make money in the market right now. All right. Next is the professional trading watch list. A big part of the reason why most people fail in the market is simple, is they're not coming to the market prepared with a plan of action every single day. And it needs to be every single day. And the next thing is they don't have the discipline and the confidence to actually execute that plan precisely down to the penny. Okay? You need to make the watch list, and then you need to have the discipline to actually follow through with that. Okay? Because that's the next step. So with that, you're getting instant access to our trading watch list, and you're going to have the confidence to execute because you know that our system works. The next thing here is you're going to be able to ask me anything. A proven and successful trader, you're going to have me in your back pocket. I want to help you succeed. I want to help you make money in the market. That's why we're here, to make money in the market. That's why I'm here. That's why I hope that you're here. And you're going to be able to access me via email or text message. Anything you want. I'm going to help you with the trades that we're in. I'm going to help you with charts. Anything that you want, you can reach out to me and I will be happy to help with you. And the next thing here is the private mastermind community. You're going to get access to tons of successful traders that are where you want to be. And that's how you have success in life, is you have mentors, and you have people who have been where you want to go. Okay? Everyone under the sun has had a mentor. Warren Buffett had a mentor. Benjamin Graham was his mentor. And, nobody can do it on their own. Okay? Everybody needs help, and that's what we're here for. And best of all is you have the potential to make the biggest profits of your life. Okay, I know that's a big, promise here, but it's true because in the market here, especially when you have a proven system and you have the mentors that are going to help you along the way, the sky is the limit for the stock market because the market here is unlike any other profession out there in the world because there's literally no ceiling to how much money you can make and how you can progress. And the cool thing is you don't have to climb up a corporate ladder and brown nose to a boss or anything like that. It's all on you. Okay, it's all on you. All right, and if you have a proven system, then you can do anything. Anything is possible. All right, and I know that you can do it. I know that you can do this. And you can get started today for only $6.99 for the annual membership. It's going to give you access for 12 months for that $6.99. It's a limited time offer, guys. It's a special offer, all right? And I want to put this into perspective, okay? If you broke it down into monthly payments, again, it is a one-time payment of $6.99. It's going to give you access for the entire year. But if you broke it down into monthly payments, it'll be $58 a month, which is cheaper than a cell phone bill. Okay, my cell phone bill is $100. With my wife, it goes over $200. All right, cheaper than a cell phone bill. If you broke it down into a daily rate, it'll be $1.90 a day, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee. All right, and the difference between the cell phone bill and the coffee is that when you pay your bill and you pay for the coffee, that money disappears. Okay, flushes down the toilet. You don't ever see it again. Yeah, you get the cell phone. Yeah, you get the coffee, but that's it. All right. With the Millionaire Trader Blueprint program, it's going to return on your investment. Okay, so you can make that money back really quickly. I just showed you on these couple of trades, we've had big winners here. These are just 2 trades from today. Okay, and this is just one example. Okay, one day. All right, we make trades like this day in and day out. Week after week, so you're going to return on your investment. That's what you got to understand. And so I want to warn you guys that this special offer is ending soon. If you visit the page, the checkout page, and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you're not going to be let in. Okay? I'm very serious about that. By waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. We have to limit the amount of people that we can let in. Because myself and my team are investing our own personal time and attention to each individual trader, giving you the attention that you deserve and that you need. All right, and that's why we have to limit the amount of people that we let in, because if we just let in thousands and thousands of people, we wouldn't be able to give you guys the service that you need. All right, so that's why we have to limit it. And once the capacity is met, that's it. 0 people are going to be let in. All right. So when you join, let me just move my face out of the way just a little bit. All right. So there we go. So when you join here, you can say goodbye to wasting hours of your time looking at a bunch of charts or news articles or CNBC, only for it to produce poor to 0 results. You can say goodbye to that. You can say goodbye to stressing about finding a strategy that works in both up and down markets, right? You can say goodbye to guessing when it comes to finding winning trades. Because when you join, you're going to be able to use our proven process and have the confidence to execute on these trades because you know it works. All right? You can say goodbye to wondering what it's like to be consistently profitable in the market. All right? Because now you have a proven process. You know it works. You know that it's worked for other people. You know it works for me. And you're going to be able to use that. So, for the price of a coffee a day, you can make daily profits just like these. These are my profits. A few examples. A few examples of some recent daily gains that I've had. And again, yes, these are my gains, but when you join, you're getting access to every trade that I make. Every trade that I make. So these gains are very possible for you as well. So $800, $1,900, $72, $1,700, $2,800, $450 almost. Those are just a few recent examples. All right. And let me move my face once again. And these are just a few examples of some people who have joined after watching videos just like you're on. Ryan joined us, and after a few weeks of joining, he made almost $7,000. He has E-Trade as well. Here's his brokerage account. You can see that right there. And these are real members and real profits, right? Getting real results. Here's Ron. He joined, and after a month of joining us, he made $8,300. Here's his account statement right there. And a little backstory on Kevin. Kevin joined, and he was completely brand new to trading when he joined. He had no experience. He had done some paper trading, but no real money trades. So on his first day of trading, his first day as a member, he made $2,000. Actually, a little bit over $2,000. You can see his account statement right there. So $2,000 on his first day. I'm not promising that that's going to happen for you, okay? But I'm showing you what's possible, all right? This is what's possible when you have a proven process. And this is what I want for you, okay? And this is what I want for you. You know, we've got lots and lots of success stories. Kevin, Ryan, Ron, and I want this for you. You know, it's amazing that I get great results in the market. It feels great. But what feels even better is when I'm able to help other people do that. And I want you to be our next success story. All right? That's what I want for you. I know that you can do this. I know that you can do this. And what I want you to do right now is click the button. I'll move my face once again. My face is always getting in the way. So what I want you to do right now is click the button below this video, fill out the registration form, and then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. A lot of people out there, they just slap you on your butt after you sign up, and they send you on your merry way and hope you have some success. We don't do that. We're holding your hand throughout the entire process to ensure that you have success. That's what I'm here for. That's what I love to do. That's my job. I want you to be successful. I'm going to do everything in my power to help you succeed in the market. And number 3 is you can get started with the training material. We've got the options class. We've got the educational material. We've got almost 30 hours of material in there for you to get started on. It's totally up to you. It's optional, but it is there if you want it. And the next thing here, the last thing here, is just get ready for the trade alerts. As soon as the market opens, as soon as you, actually, not as soon as the market opens, but as soon as you join, you're going to be entered into the alert system, and you're going to be able to start receiving these alerts right away. So I'm excited for you. I'm excited for this possibility for you. But don't wait another second to sign up. I don't want you to miss out. We've got a limited amount of people that we can let in, and I don't want you to miss out. So now all you got to do is scroll below this video, and you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up and you join today. And keep scrolling down to this box right here and click this green button. That's how you secure your spot and get this special offer. The button is add to cart at 85% off. Click that button, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. Enter in your name, your email, choose a password, and then enter in your phone number as well. Make sure there's a phone number that receives text messages because that's how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Then scroll down here, and then you just enter in your billing information right there, or you can check out with PayPal. It's totally up to you. And then click agree to terms of service, and then submit order. Once you do that, you're going to be getting instant access to everything that we talked about today. Most importantly, those trade alerts are going to help you become consistently profitable in the market, and you're going to have the opportunity to make money in the market every single day. So I look forward to seeing you in there. I hope that you join us. I hope that you make that decision to become a better trader, and I hope that I can help you along the way. So I hope to see you in there, and I'll see you guys next time.